Abdulmejid Rafuri, April 25th, 1823, 1861. Abdulmejid Rafuri was the 31st Sultan of the Ottoman Empire, who ruled from 1839 to 1861. He was the eldest son of Mahmud II, whom he succeeded on July 2nd, 1839, shortly after the defeat of the Turkish army from the Egyptians at Nazib. Nzinga Mbandingola, 1582, December 17, 1663. Zinga Mbandingola, or Nzinga Mbandingola, or Jinga Mbandingola, Ana or Zinga Bandi, was the ruler of Ndongo State from 1624 or 1623, and Matamba. Fernand Magellan, February 4th, 1480, April 27, 1521. Fernand Magellan was a Portuguese and Spanish navigator with the title of Adelantado. He commanded the expedition that made the first of the known voyages around the world. He discovered the strait later named after him. Marie Antoinette of Austria, November 2nd, 1755, October 16th, 1793. Marie Antoinette of Austria, Queen of France and Navarre, the youngest daughter of Emperor Franz Neumer and Maria Theresa, consort of King Louis XVI of France in 1770. Maximilien Robespierre, May 6, 1758, July 28, 1794. Maximilien Robespierre was a French revolutionary, lawyer, one of the most famous and influential political figures of the Great French Revolution. Henry Hudson, 1565, June 23, 1611. Sir Henry Hudson was an English navigator of the early 17th century. He is known for his explorations of the territories of modern Canada and the northeast of the USA. Françoise Marie de Bourbon, May 4th, 1677, February 1st, 1749. Françoise Marie de Bourbon was the illegitimate child of King Louis XIV of France and his official favorite, the Marquise de Montespan. Count de Bussy, 1549, August 19th, 1579. Louis de Clermont, Seigneur de Bussy d'Amboise, was a French nobleman, famous for his numerous duels and love affairs. John Cabot, about 1460 to about 1498. John Cabot was an Italian and French navigator and merchant in the English service who first explored the coast of Canada. Manon Roland, March 17, 1754, November 8, 1793. Manon Roland was a writer, hostess of a literary salon, one of the most famous women of the French Revolution. Anna of Austria, September 22nd, 1601, January 20th, 1666. Anne of Austria, Spanish Infanta and Archduchess of Austria of the House of Habsburg, Queen of France, wife of Louis XIII, mother of Louis XIV. Maria of Anjou, October 14th, 1404, November 29th, 1463. Mary of Anjou was Queen of France, wife of King Charles VII of France, daughter of King Louis II of Naples and Yolande of Aragon.